Just imagine that you downloaded a movie to watch with your family, but it's an MKV file. They can be tricky. But fortunately you can open it with your video player. You make your popcorn, get comfy, but suddenly the movie stops. We try to play it from the beginning, but it stops again. While you're trying to make it work, the others eat all the popcorn and eventually it just won't play. Great. Now the evening is ruined. Hi, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly convert MKV files to MP4 to avoid all the fuss and so you could enjoy your movie on any devices. The issue with MKV files is that they are not an audio or video compression format. MKV files are actually multimedia container formats. An MKV container can incorporate audio, video, and subtitle materials into a single file, even if those elements use different types of encoding. And this unfortunately makes them more susceptible to damage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert MKV to MP4 video step by step using Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have it now, don't worry, the link is going to be in the description below. Once you're in the UniConverter, the first step is going to the video converter. Click the file icon to add MKV video files, or you can just directly drag and drop MKV files from your computer. The Wondershare UniConverter supports batch convert videos, so you can add multiple videos at once. After adding the video file or files, click the settings icon to choose the output format settings. Under the video tag, you can find different video formats, but this time we'll obviously go with MP4. You have the option to choose a preset resolution or click Create to create your own output settings. You can adjust the encoder, resolution, frame rate, bit rate based on your own needs. If you want to use these settings later, you can save them as a new preset and give it a name as well. Once you're done with all your settings, click the Convert button to begin the process. Once it's finished, you'll find the video in the Finished menu. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to convert your MKV files to MP4 video but without installing new software on your computer, just try the online UniConverter. Enter media.io in your web browser or click the link in the description. Upload the MKV video that you want to convert to MP4. You can directly drag and drop files or click over here, but you can also upload a video from Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose the output format to be MP4. By clicking on the settings button, you can select custom settings, but you can also go with a preset as well. After you confirm the settings, click the convert button to begin. The process will start after the video is finished uploading. It might take a few minutes depending on the file size and your internet speed. When the conversion from MKV to MP4 video is finished, you can just simply download the video to your computer. So there you go, that's how you quickly convert MKV video files to MP4 so you could enjoy them on any devices. From now on you can say goodbye to the problematic MKV files. I hope you found this video helpful, so if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. We're more than happy to respond. And if you want to learn more tips and tricks about various video related issues, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'm going to see you in the next video.